Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Lauba Higher Secondary Examination Class 12 ki exam haidokre ngasi haidokiba exam asida science stream gi oina Comet School gi Malemnganbi Laisram apokpa Roman Laisram Kurai Sajor Lekai na ahanba school asimakta dagi yumnam Kenika Devi apokpa yumnam Kumar Singh Kamran Awang Lekai na anisuba madi Pinewood View School Langol gi Mayang Lambam Sania Devi Kaksing Pazi Lekai na humsuba takhi Arts stream gi oina Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School dagi thoksom Saitejit apokpa Karam Rina Kongpal Kongkam Lekai na ahanba school asimakta dagi Khaidem Niranda Devi apokpa KH Naubi Singh Laifam Maibakul Maya Lekai amadi TG Higher Secondary School dagi Sapam Langlel Devi apokpa S Devendro Mitei Sapam Mamang Lekai na anisuba Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School dagi Janita Longzam apokpa Longzam Ningthem Mani Singh Mayang Impal Thana ani Longbi na humsuba position taki aduga commerce ki oina Kaksing Higher Secondary School dagi Aina Naurem apokpa Naurem Biren Singh Kaksing Ningthau Lekai na ahanba TG Higher Secondary School dagi Catalina Maisnam apokpa Maisnam Firepa Singh Sagolban Bijoy Gobindana anisuba aduga SDJM Higher Secondary School dagi Longzam Aman Singh apokpa Longzam Nisikanta Singh Sagolban Tera Bazar na ahum suba position taki council na lauduna pangthok hiba examination asida punnam hairo lising kontra mat thoiga chahum yangkhaini thoina exam asida saruk yaki exam asida mahiroi chada marfutara taret point dasmik taruk mai paki science stream gi oina chada marfutara nipan dasmik marfutara mathoi pass tauki art stream gi oina chada marfutara mari dasmik kontra manga pass tauki aduga commerce gi oina chada marfutara humdoi Dasmik Manga pass tauki ngasi council gi office ta pangthokhiba result lauthokpagi thoromda education director L Nandakumar Council of Higher Secondary Education gi chairman T Ozid council gi secretary KH Ashi Kumar amadi council gi controller of examination O Zoisu Saryaki